Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited to bring to you the Nortiv 8 ActiveFloat running walking shoes, as you can see just here. Now we're going to go and open these up in a minute and show you exactly what comes in them. Now I've done a lot of Nortiv 8 shoes and we absolutely love them. So very excited to have a look at these ones today. Now to start with, here is the shoe just here. Now look at that lovely sole on there straight away. Doesn't that look good? Now you can use this for walking, running, or going out. Now I'm just going to take that out. You've got the thing in there as well. Now I use size 10, which you can see here. Now these shoes feature a thick EVA midsole for shock absorption and gives you a bouncy kind of feel in them. So if you open up there is a midsole just there, and it's got a lot of give in there as well. So if you're walking, you don't want too much pressure on your feet, you can put it just in there. Now on the back there as well, look at that grip there as well. Now it's got superior traction. Now it's got a slip resistant rubber outsole that stops wear, and they give you reliable grip when you're outside as well. Nice thick shoes as well, which is great. And they're also got a breathable upper as well. So you can see there's a mesh breathable upper. I'm gonna get the other shoe out as well at the same time. We don't really care about the box too much, do we? So there's the other shoe as well. I'll take that out as well. Gonna put these on in a minute, guys, so I can show you exactly how they feel. Now it's also got TPU film as well on the upper as well. So this basically provides really great support when you're walking outside. Again, these shoes are very high quality. I've tested a number of different models and they haven't worn out very quickly at all and maintain their shape and their looks. I like this color as well because it's more of a kind of, you can go out and wear them color. So I'm gonna go put these on now and give you my impressions actually having them on, but there they are just there. So I put the shoes on, as you can see just here. Now straight away, you can feel they've got a good build on them. Now I've got high arches and it doesn't feel like my feet are rolling in. You can see the high sole there as well. I feel a lot higher, but I can really feel the support in the shoes. They're not too tight as well. They fit really well around my foot. And with the breathable mesh as well, they feel really nice. If I roll forward and roll back, they've got good stability. And you can also feel as I go up and down, that in the sole you can really feel that cushioning as well as you put your foot down. So you feel very, very supported. Let me jump up and try it. Yeah, that feels absolutely great. So you can see they look really good too. There it is on my foot. They fit really well. So I use these for sports a lot. So running, walking, these work really, really well. So there you go. How nice were the ActiveFloat? Well, as you could see, put on my feet, they felt so comfortable. The breathable mesh as well is so nice because it allows your foot to breathe when you're having exercise. The lovely high foam as well, the high sole, allows your foot to be elevated, and it gives a great balance in it as well. And you can see how you can't even twist it. So another great shoe from Nortiv 8. Now these come in a variety of sizes. They are true to size as well when I wore them. So the Nortiv 8 ActiveFloat running walking shoe really is fantastic. You can purchase it from links below. And yeah, can't wait to use it a lot more.